ROMs are permanent storage on devices like smartphones and PCs. Managing them manually can be tricky, but Android ROM managers make it easy to install, backup, and restore. In this video, we'll introduce 7 top Android ROM manager tools. Top 1. Cyandelta Updater. Cyandelta Updater is one of the most cost-effective ROM managers as it allows users to update ROM easily, even when using slow and cheap internet connections. The manager comes with pre-installed security measures, update notifications, and a recovery zip. Advantages: efficient unlimited data, supports full CM-ROM downloads and small Delta updates, simple installation with smaller downloads. Cons: slower app downloads and installations, puts more load on servers than most ROM managers. Top 2. ROM Manager. ROM Manager is one of the most widely used ROM managers for Android devices. It offers several functionalities, including downloading and installing ROMs, and flashing ROM or clockwork recovery. Advantages: built-in backup and file browser, supports Wi-Fi transfers, minimal UI changes. Cons: risk of device issues if custom ROM is installed incorrectly. Top 3. ROM Toolbox Pro. The ROM Toolbox Pro is one of the most widely used Android ROM managers available in the market today. It combines numerous root apps, making it possible and easy for Android users to increase the number of customizations on their ROMs. Advantages: all-in-one ROM, backup, and system management, easy ROM flashing and performance tweaks, user-friendly interface. Cons: weak file browser, font changers may merge letters, some features outdated. Top 4. 3C ROM Manager. Managing Android ROMs becomes more efficient with advanced controls and easy installation options. Backups and restore points can be created before making any modifications. With 3C ROM Manager, users can organize multiple ROMs and handle updates smoothly. Advantages: efficient backup, restore, and ROM management, control kernels, recoveries, and system tweaks in one app, simplifies complex tasks and saves time. Cons: can overwhelm beginners, occasional crashes with multiple ROMs, requires root for full features. Top 5. ROM Installer. Flashing new ROMs is simplified with support for a wide variety of Android builds. Users can download, install, and update directly from a central platform. ROM Installer provides backups, kernel management, and recovery features in one package. Advantages: this app lets you quickly download, install, and update ROMs from one platform, manage backups and kernels easily, and switch ROMs safely with its intuitive design. Cons: limited device support, in-app ads, and occasional installation errors. Top 6. CyanogenMod. Customization and performance improvements are the main draws for Android users, offering a near-stock experience with enhanced features. It supports many devices. CyanogenMod acts as both a ROM and a management solution for updates and data recovery. Advantages: CyanogenMod offers a near-stock Android experience with extra customization, better performance, and regular community updates. Cons: risky for beginners, no official support, and some features may not work on all devices. Top 7. Custom ROM Manager. Switching between different Android ROMs is made easier with organized management features. Users can track installed ROMs, recoveries, and kernels without confusion. Custom ROM Manager automates downloads and installation to save time. Advantages: easy ROM organization, installation, and switching, automates downloads and installs, reducing errors, gives full control over device software. Cons: root required for full features, some ROMs incompatible with newer devices, occasional bugs or crashes.